Back again with Lawson's car reviews. This is just a quick review of this 2015 Mustang GT. It does have a Roush exhaust on it, and as you can see, it has this extra hood scoop, which is fake. It doesn't add any performance. It doesn't really, it's not even a real hood scoop. It's just kind of stuck on there. So if I ever bought this car, I would actually take this off. But let's take a quick look around this. It's this beautiful blue color. I put the name on the screen because I don't remember what the name is of the blue, but let's just do a quick test drive of it. What's good, YouTube? This hood is really light. Giddy up! If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted of any new uploads that I do, and hit the like because it helps the channel to grow. On with the video. So as I said, the hood scoop on this car is fake. It is not functional, and it's just plastic and stick-on, and I would take that off the car. Other than that, this car looks pretty awesome. I love the color. I would probably upgrade the wheels. It does have turn signals in the wing mirrors there, and it is push start. And the person of this car did actually add a Roush exhaust. So I think I'm going to do another video to show you what the difference is between a V6 with a Roush exhaust and a V8 with a Roush exhaust. And it's quite a big difference, as you would suspect. Trunk space is pretty decent. It's much better than it is on, say, the Chevy Camaro. You get way more room in this, way more room in the Challenger than you do on the Camaro. And I do like this Formula One style backup light right here, which I think is awesome. This particular car only has 26,000 miles on it, which is really low miles for a GT. But as you see, it's got the nice leather interior. It is a manual, which I think if you get a car like this, you should get a manual. One thing I do hate is that it has this huge lip for the tint, and it makes your vision out quite restricted. Some people like that, some people don't. It's not really my favorite. I prefer not to have that so I can get more room. But when you get this one, it does come with the nice leather, and it's got cream leather seats, which might get dirty a little bit quick, but that's fine. Car is in excellent condition, only 26,000 miles, and it has the regular analog gauges, but it does have the gauges in the middle where you can still basically get like different track apps, and you can also get like you know, 0 to 60, as you can see, line lock, launch control, your speedometer obviously. So it does have some good features, and also the air vents, I like that style, and I love the shaker system in this. And of course, we've got this awesome 6-speed manual transmission. For those of you who don't know, the 2015 Mustangs come with, I believe, 435 horsepower and I believe 412-ish foot-pounds of torque. I'll put the correct specs on the screen. The new 2020 Mustangs GTs come with 460 horsepower and 420 foot-pounds of torque. So there is quite a big difference between horsepower and torque on this model Mustang and the old one. And as you could see out of the back, as I was showing you, this particular model does have a larger wing, which I believe the person who owned this car put on aftermarket. So that being said, let me just do a quick pull in this car and let you hear that awesome Roush exhaust. Woo! Okay, the back end did get a little bit loose on me right there, but that's okay. That's why we get these Mustangs, to get loose. I know that all of the numbers online for performance cars nowadays, by the way, I really love Microsoft's Sync system. I think it's an awesome system. The screen looks good. It's big enough. For a performance car, I don't believe that you really need a super duper fancy infotainment system. But these new Mustangs, they drive good. They sound good even without an aftermarket exhaust, even if you just have the regular active exhaust that you can get on these cars. They just sound good. And I'm in 4th gear. Listen to the sound it makes and the torque. Oh yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. I don't really think you can go wrong with a new Mustang or a new Camaro or a new Challenger. It's just different strokes for different folks. I mean, my recent video was just that of a 2014 Mustang GT. I do personally prefer the look of the 2014 over the new style. So I like the S197 over the style of the S550 Mustang. However, it can't be denied that the handling on the S550s are much better because of the independent rear suspension that they come with. But I do really like this car. This is just a quick review because I honestly don't have the car for that long. They said I can only take it for a little bit, but it's fun. And let me tell you, if you want a Mustang GT, you can't go wrong with any of them. There's so many different modifications that you can do with these cars nowadays. The power is good. The 10-speed automatic, I have driven one. Go look at my white convertible Mustang review. They shift so fast, they easily outshift anyone that is using a manual gearbox. But it's not as much fun, so you have to kind of pick your poison. In the brand new Mustang, 0 to 60 is about 3.9 seconds with the 10-speed automatic. But in this particular one, if you have like the manual, it's about 4.1 seconds. I'll put the spec on the screen for the manual that comes from the 2015 model, like the one I'm driving, and let you guys see for yourself if you think it's worth getting one or not. Once again, guys, thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I've got many more cars coming for you. Mustangs, Camaro SS's, a Mercedes SL 500. So be patient. I release one video a week, usually on Sunday. And like, comment, let me know what you think about this particular Mustang. And I'll see you in the next video.